Welcome to our newest video. Today, we will look at a very interesting and important project for our regional infrastructure, namely the Pandansimo Bridge asphalting project. Using a drone, we can watch all the details of this process from a height. Currently, workers are asphalting the new part of the bridge. This asphalting process is a crucial step to improve the quality of the road. With new asphalt, it is hoped that this bridge can accommodate more vehicles more safely and comfortably. This project is not just about asphalting, but is also part of a large effort to improve infrastructure throughout the region. The Pandansimo Bridge itself is one of the important routes connecting various regions, so this asphalting is really needed. From above, we can see how the team works neatly. They make thorough preparations before asphalting, from compacting the soil to choosing the right type of asphalt. Every step must be carefully considered to ensure optimal road quality. The asphalting carried out on the Pandansimo Bridge uses modern technology which guarantees the durability of the asphalt. This is very important, considering the high traffic intensity on this bridge. Apart from that, this new asphalt will also reduce the risk of damage that often occurs on the road. It's been a long time. After the Pandansimo Bridge is completed, it is hoped that it can reduce congestion on main roads and increase accessibility and mobility of people in Bantul and Kulonprogo. This bridge will also become a vital route for logistics transportation, facilitating the distribution of goods and services between the two districts. This project is funded by the regional government and involves many parties to ensure smooth implementation. The construction of this bridge is also part of the government's efforts to improve infrastructure in the region, so that it can have a positive impact on the community. quoted from various media that conditions for the construction of the Pandansimo Bridge itself have touched the plains west of Kulonprogo, which is part of the Bantaran village area. The bridge consists of 2 lanes of road separated by a concrete road divider in the middle. The road at the western end of the Pandansimo Bridge has also begun widening. This development is supported by Bantaran residents because later their access will be wider, either to Bantul or to the west of Kulonprogo. Thank you for following our journey in looking at the Pandansimo Bridge asphalting project. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to get the latest information about other interesting projects in our area. See you in the next video. And enjoy your journey on the newly paved Pandansimo Bridge.